next one. Was it running before? 7 minutes ran. It's running now. It's alright, I got some of the video on the other one.
I hope it was as good as this.
Okay, this is the channel you're going to be putting your spline back into. So you're going to put your screen over the top. Use that roller to roll that screen to that shape. If you don't do that, it'll tear the screen. Set our piece in here. I think the hardest part in putting a screen in is getting it started straight. Seems to work the best if you start from the center. So I'm going to start in the middle, and all I want to do is make a groove for that spline to go into. And try not to get a pucker in your screen if you can. Yeah, kind of just rolled that in there. That's pretty straight. Now, there we go. Once you think you got it started straight, you want to go to this inside edge and roll that screen down in there, tied up against that inside edge. Oops. If you got that in there, you want to come out to the outside edge and roll that in there, and you're going to have to give it a little slack so it doesn't pull out of that front edge. What you've done is create a little channel there that the screen fits down into. It's going to allow that spline to go in there without cutting into the screen. Start this edge even with this end, because your sharp piece, you start this edge and make sure your spline is nice and straight. It'll go in easier if it's straight. And you're going to start this piece even with that inside edge, because there's going to be a piece that goes over the top of it. So I'm going to start that as even as I can. Just the back of my hammer and tap that into place. Until I get started. Once I get it started in there, I'll use that business end of that hammer to tap it down into place permanently. If you got a little twist, which I do, I'm just going to bend it back a little bit and it should go drop right down in there. a hammer in the middle. You just work it nice and easy and slow. Should go right down in there. Go back over and make sure I got it down there all the way. And flip it over. This part is a little bit of the tricky part. You got to put a little tension.
This one ain't got nothing. In that little bar thing?
Oh, it's full right there.
Oh, that's full.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Should be. Are you ready? Is it playing?
Oh, it's going.
Okay. I think this is one of the tougher parts to put any screen on, is getting the right amount of tension without tearing through your screen fabric. So take your time. Don't force it. You can always get a little bit more, but if you tear it, you're screwed. So, just gonna take my time, knowing what's in my finger. That if I have to, I can tighten this up some more. It's laying a little flat, pretty flat. Okay. Now we're getting better. So get that inside edge on that string. All the way across. Get down nice and tight in there. And get that outside one. Give it a little slack. Gotta fill that groove up. Channel up. In there, it's pretty flat. Okay, again, remember, that other one's got to go over the top of this, so just go to the edge. Just push this down in here a little bit so it don't tear. And start it even with the top. Any looseness you got in here will be brought, tightened up a little bit as you put the spleen in.
Ow.
Two sides done. Roller again. Start rolling that thing down into that channel. Just got to kind of accepting it, go in that inside edge and get nice and tight in there. Go to the outside, slack. Pull it out of the other side. Let's take the screwdriver and put that end down. You can't get in there with the roller. Starts at the end. Tight. Come back down on me. There we go. Side. Ouch. Take your utility knife, run along the edge. Watch for little burrs sticking up to the screen. I'd always check, see if there's any burrs on the edge. Stick it in your hand. There you have a job Anderson said couldn't be done. New screen, and they're Anderson window screens, ready for many years of use. And I happened to get the screen for free, so all I had was my time in this. Hell of a lot cheaper than $40. Thank you.